Microsoft Windows. Released in 1985, Microsoft Windows is the world's most widely used desktop operating system. Before Windows, Microsoft introduced MS-DOS in 1981, a command line operating system that laid the foundation for modern Windows. Over the years, Microsoft released major versions, including Windows 1.0, Windows 3.x, Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows ME, Windows 2000, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10, and Windows 11. Known for its broad software compatibility and excellent gaming support, Windows is the preferred choice for students, professionals, businesses, engineers, and gamers. Because it has the largest desktop user base, it's also the most common target for malware and ransomware. Users may occasionally encounter the blue screen of death, BSOD, which usually indicates a critical hardware or software problem. Regular Windows updates improve security, fix bugs, and introduce new features, although some major updates can occasionally cause compatibility issues. Despite these challenges, modern security features like Microsoft Defender, Secure Boot, BitLocker, and frequent updates make Windows far more secure than earlier versions. macOS. Gently released as macOS X in 2001, macOS is Apple's desktop operating system for Mac computers. Built on a Unix foundation, it's known for smooth performance, excellent battery life, and seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem. Compared to Windows, macOS is generally more resistant to malware because of its Unix-based architecture and Apple's strict security controls. It's especially popular among video editors, designers, programmers, and content creators. The main drawback is that it only runs on Apple hardware, which is typically more expensive than Windows PCs. Linux. Released in 1991, Linux is a free and open-source operating system available in many distributions, including Ubuntu, Fedora, Debian, Linux Mint, and Arch Linux. It's highly customizable, extremely stable, and powers most web servers, cloud platforms, and supercomputers worldwide. Major companies such as Google, Amazon, Meta, Netflix, IBM, Oracle, and Microsoft Azure rely heavily on Linux to run their servers and cloud infrastructure. Compared to Windows and macOS, Linux is far less affected by everyday malware, making it a top choice for developers, cybersecurity professionals, and server administrators. However, some commercial software and games may require additional setup before they work properly. ChromeOS. Released in 2011, ChromeOS is Google's lightweight operating system for Chromebooks. It's designed for speed, simplicity, and cloud-based computing, making it ideal for students, schools, and everyday users. Built-in features like verified boot, automatic updates, and application sandboxing make it one of the safest operating systems for casual users. Compared to Windows, ChromeOS is much easier to maintain, but isn't intended for demanding tasks like high-end gaming or professional video editing. Android. Released in 2008, Android is Google's mobile operating system and powers most smartphones worldwide. Built on the Linux kernel, it offers unmatched flexibility, millions of apps, and devices at every price point. Compared to iOS, Android allows far more customization, but its open ecosystem also increases security risks if apps are installed from untrusted sources. Features like Google Play Protect and regular security updates improve protection, making Android an excellent choice for users who value flexibility, customization, and hardware variety. iOS. Released in 2007 with the first iPhone, iOS is Apple's mobile operating system. It's widely recognized for its smooth performance, excellent privacy features, and long-term software support. Compared to Android, iOS generally provides stronger protection against malware because Apple tightly controls both the hardware and the App Store. It's the preferred choice for users who value security, reliability, and seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem. However, compared to Android, it offers fewer customization options. Unix. Originally developed in 1969, Unix is one of the most influential operating systems in computing history. It introduced many concepts that later inspired Linux, BSD, and even parts of macOS. Unix is widely used in enterprise servers, research institutions, and mission-critical systems because of its outstanding stability, reliability, and security. Although it's rarely used on personal computers today, its influence can still be seen in many modern operating systems. BSD. Released in 1978, BSD, or Berkeley Software Distribution, is a family of Unix-based operating systems that includes FreeBSD, OpenBSD, and NetBSD. It's well known for exceptional stability, advanced networking, and strong security. Compared to Linux, BSD is less common, but is often preferred for firewalls, storage servers, and networking appliances where reliability is critical. It's mainly used by system administrators, networking professionals, and enterprise environments. HarmonyOS. Released in 2019, HarmonyOS is Huawei's operating system for smartphones, tablets, smart TVs, wearables, and IoT devices. It's designed to create a seamless experience across multiple connected devices through its distributed architecture. Compared to Android, HarmonyOS focuses more on cross-device integration while maintaining strong security. Although its global market share is still relatively small, it continues to grow rapidly within Huawei's ecosystem, especially in China. Every operating system is designed for a different purpose. Windows offers the best software compatibility and gaming experience. macOS excels in creative work and ecosystem integration. Linux stands out for security and servers. ChromeOS is ideal for web-based computing. Android provides maximum flexibility. iOS focuses on security and long-term support, while Unix, BSD, and HarmonyOS serve specialized enterprise and ecosystem needs. Choosing the right operating system ultimately depends on your workflow, budget, and the features that matter most to you.